Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to sum 100 columns in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Sheets document. Then click your cell. You added some example. I click this. Sum, press enter. Then example, the first B2, B, see this cells B1 to B2. And example, the last CB1 or 100 columns. Example, use C2, C2. Press enter. That's it. If you write the range from the first column to the last column, all the columns in between will be summed automatically. You don't need to write all 100 columns separately. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.